HOWTO, 8 skills to learn and monetize. 1. Freelancing, graphic design, writing, web development, digital marketing. 2. Online tutoring and courses teaching, video creation. 3. Affiliate marketing, content creation, SEO, digital marketing. 4. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, podcasting. 5. E-commerce and dropshipping, product research, online advertising. 6. Virtual assistants, administrative skills, social media management. 7. Stock photography and graphic design, sales photography, graphic design. 8. Social media management, content creation, analytics, paid advertising, tips for beginners. Start small and build up, leverage free resources, network and market yourself. Be consistent and patient. Learn these skills, create a strong portfolio, and monetize your expertise through various platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Udemy, and more. With the power of fate, Heroic Global FHG will be learning all of above free of charge, just for you to be ready and leaning all and be making money from it. The system is already there to working with, learning and understanding and making money from it. Your future is now. Make use of it. Be wise for ones. Powered by Wealth Talent Digital Coach. For more information, call or WhatsApp to 348-151-4563-3.